In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed is a mouse primarily designed to be used wirelessly, so you will be able to use it wirelessly in one of two main ways. One of those is Bluetooth, and it's the one that I'm going to be focusing on this video, but I'm also going to briefly talk about the other one later. So first, make sure that it has a battery included. So remove the top cover of the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed, and in there you will be able to insert a AA battery into the slot. As you can see, it should go in this direction, and as soon as you include the AA battery, it is going to be ready to be used. So close the top cover, and you will be able to set it to Bluetooth mode. To do this, look at the bottom of the mouse and make sure that the slider is set to the left, so towards the Bluetooth icon. With this done, press and hold the two side buttons and the cycle DPI stage up button simultaneously for 3 seconds. So in summary, press the two side buttons and the DPI button at the exact same time together. Hold them for 3 seconds, and once this is done, eventually the status indicator will blink twice in repeated intervals to show that it is ready to be paired. Now, if you go over to any device that supports Bluetooth, you will be able to find the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed under the list of available devices. So it's as simple as putting it into pairing mode, and with this done, you will be able to choose it from the list of available devices in any suitable platform. As soon as this is done and you choose to pair it with the mouse, it is going to be used right away. You will be able to automatically use it on that device every single time that you power on the mouse and you put it in close proximity, and it is going to remain paired as long as you don't unpair it manually. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.